Get ready to bank, get ready to bank. The Devourers, how far? I need you to do it soon, though. I need you to do it soon. Okay, just round the north tip, and then tell Blaze to go southeast, or hold the southwest. Tell Blaze to hold the southwest, so we don't get flanked too hard. Yo, my Beals and shit, get these guys. Alright, yo, pop boots. Yo, be straight, here comes the gauge, here comes the gauge, front heels. Be sped, front heels. We're hard against north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, notice, go. Everyone notice. Dude, Devourer's coming.
Yeah, I was from behind.
Be sped. Yo, front heels. Be sped, boys. Be sped. Everyone east, boys. Pushing east stomping. Full push into the tower. Full push into the tower. To the tower, boys. To the tower. Full push in east to the tower. Southeast of the tower. Look southeast of the tower. Southeast of the tower, they're running. Southeast of the tower, boys. Go southeast of the tower. Southeast on my ping. Full push in. Get ready for next engage. Push in. Just wipe this. Oh my god, boys. Wipe that shit. Give me that loot. Give me that fucking loot, boys. Alright, GG. No, was that really a fight? What the fuck? Right? Get these skirts. Get from which side? Alright, Get these skirts, boys. Get these skirts.
They're dismounted on the northwest side.
Okay, it's fine. They can't push that. Yo, listen, Devourer's gonna hold the north side of the territory. My boy's gonna hold the southwest. Okay, my boys inch down the southwest.
North tip of Terry.
My boys inch down southwest to my ping. Southwest of the tower to my ping. Southwest of the tower to my ping. Boys. Southwest of the tower to my ping. Kill the scout right here.
I'm holding the chip. If they push in, they'll get fucked.
Okay. Yeah, be sped. Get these guys, boys. Be sped. Be sped, though, please. Yeah.
North. Yep, they're coming in north.
They're coming north.
Devourer's just got white in the north.
Blaze, hold it. We're gonna go straight north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go over the wall north us. Over the wall north us on the tower. Boys. Wipe that shit. Back south now. Listen. My boys come south us now. Yo, tell Blaze to hold the southeast side of the territory. Everyone else gets my ping. Everyone else come southwest to my ping. Southwest to ping. We have shitters southwest of us. Get to my ping.
Pushing again. Stay away from the wall.
Yeah. Devourers hold the north. I'm gonna look southwest. Yo, come southwest. My boys come southwest to my ping. My boys come southwest to my ping. We're in hard against west in 5. Southwest in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hard against southwest. Finish these retards southwest here. Full gear southwest. Watch out for the weeping. Push all the way through west here. All the way north us. My boys push all the way north us. Chase these shooters down. Yo, I need a tank watching a flank. Senior rotate behind us. Yeah, perfect. Keep going all the way north. All the way northeast. Come all the way northeast. Get these kills behind us. Nice. Run northeast. Come northeast. Push northeast towards the tower, outside the terry. Okay, hard against northeast here. Right here. Huge combi, boys. Huge combi on the northwest. Finish this. Wrap around the rock. Keep pushing northwest, boys. Get these kills. Keep pushing northwest on my ping. Come west. Come southwest now. Boys. Come southwest now. They're running southwest.
Blaze need help on east.
Perfect. Just finish this goes down the hill here. We're hard against west in 5, 4. Actually, move back east. Yeah, heals. Move back southeast. We're pumping. Come southeast, boys. Vito, silence the choke. Us and move southeast. Move southeast towards the terry. Boys. Yo, tell Blaze we're coming. Yo, move towards southeast towards the terry. Devourers, are you good on the north there? Devourers, you good?
There is some arch here on the south of the terry.
Yeah, you guys, come southeast. Oh yeah, I'm coming. Guys, come. Yeah, listen. It's arch. Yeah, we're gonna hard against southeast. On my ping. We're gonna hard against southeast. Here comes the gauge. Here comes these light. We're gonna go straight east in 3, 2, 1. Clap them. Show the fucking wrath of God. East here. Go southeast of the terry. Wipe them southeast here. Walk in the fucking circuit, fucking retards. Come east, boys.
Got a huge clip on the melon.
Wipe them southeast here. Wipe this. See you later, fucking retards. Yo, finally heals. I died. Just keep going.
Go back northwest. Spread. Go back northwest and I'm ping. Northwest and I'm ping. Spread. Spread. Heal up. Drop heals. Heal up. Hold this. Heal up, boys. Heal up. Get ready for engagement. Heal.
They've
Kill
got
these guys.
Tidal
Right now.
careful
On the
of
ping.
this.
Okay, spread, boys. Spread.
Arch have a
Kill these
siege
guys.
ballista.
Kill these guys on the ping.
Yeah, you guys good, right? You guys are fine.
Yeah, we're good. Don't worry.
I just got permastun on like 5 brimstones. It's all good. I'm back.
I saw that.
Yeah. They just dropped like 20 brimstones on my ass. My god. Yeah, if someone picked up my set, let me know. That shit was expensive.
Goodbye, spread here.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, what the fuck? I was the only one that died though too. Holy shit. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, be spread. Yo, come with us, please. Oh, that was so fast. Yo, get ready. Hard to get south. They're on the loop. Be spread. Get ready. Hard to get south.
I'm
They're on the
pushing
loop.
up on the
Be spread. Move back northwest. Be spread. Get these guys. Get my ping. I'm on ping. Mark naked. Yo, you tell Blaze to hold the southwest. Tell Blaze to hold the west flank. Tell Blaze to rotate west and hold that west flank. I'm looking southeast, so I'm fine. I'm looking southeast, I'm fine. I'm looking southeast, I'm fine. Yeah, be spread. Be dismounted. Watch out for the weeping. Don't step on weeping. Look how low you guys got. Yeah, heal boys up. Yeah, be spread. Here comes the gauge. No, it's fake. Move back northeast. Don't go west.
They're engaging.
Yeah, don't go west. Here comes the gauge. Palm nouns. Watch out. Wanna go southeast in 5, 4. Watch out. No, it's weeping. Don't funnel. Wanna go 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast down. Huge come southeast here. Wipe the southeast here. Move back north. We need recess Andres, boys. Move back west. We need recess on southeast here. Be spread. Move back north towards the tower. Pass offensive and 9 humps as you go. You're pass that terror. Yo, be spread. Here comes the engage. Move back north. Don't clump allies. Don't clump on the southeast there. Be careful. We're gonna hard to get southeast and be spread. We're gonna hard to get southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hard to get southeast of the terror. Southeast of the terror. Exit terror.
We got the terror.
Exit terror and go east. Exit terror and go east on my ping. Exit terror and go east on my ping. Go southeast. Push south. Nice. Move back north. Boys. Get these kills. Nice. I kill that guy. Move back north. Be spread. Pop defenses. Enfeeble aura. If you see DPS pushing up, please put enfeeble aura, boys. Bring your second step if you die. That's it. Good fight, boys. Oh my god, that was great.
Fuck, I'm gonna get this
Don't my suicide, I go right to
Guys, don't clump on the price. Don't clump on this price and choke it. Yo, come west.
I'm resetting done.
Come west on my ping. Come to the west side of the terry. On my ping. Yo, heal some skins. Yo, why you guys so low? Heal up our boys. On our party. Heal up our boys on the party. We have 3 healers on party. Heal one up. Watch out for the galley. Yo, kill this galley here. On southeast here. Yo, engage on these fucking shooters on southeast here. Yo, listen, we're hard to get southeast here. Just be spread. Get this galley. Please get this galley for me. Nice. Be spread. So watch out for weeping. Don't loot him. Don't. Skins. That was you. Don't loot him. Heal up, boys. Skins. Yeah, come southwest, boys. Yeah, just loot up your shit. Tab, I got your shit. Tab, I got you. Yep. Yeah, it's fucking.
Nearly all the party 2's dead right now. Regear and come back, guys. If you're dead, regear and come back.
Yeah, come southeast, boys. Nah, I'm still with Alice. Yeah, we're gonna chase their mounts up. A lot of their battle mounts are good. No, don't mount up. They're on the south. Be spread. Don't mount up. Get to my ping. Be spread. Here comes the gauge. We need front heals.
Everybody's looting at the back, Dom. You're on your own.
What the fuck are you guys?
I got dismounted.
Holy shit.
Where are you, Ups?
Fucking
I
I'm
see you.
I'm
Ups,
safe,
run
I'm
back to
safe,
tower.
I'm
Run
safe.
back,
Come
run
southwest. We're hard to get southwest in 3, 2, 1. Hard to get southwest. Push through southwest here. Push through southwest, you monkeys. Stop looting in the back. Guys, I see like no one from my guild here on the south on my ping. Come south to my ping. What do we talk about? Stop looting. Come south, boys. They're running south outside terry. Yo, try to get the battle mounts. Come south, boys. Come southwest. They're running west on my ping. Come west on my ping. Running west on my ping, boys. They're running southwest on my ping. Are they gonna have bubble when they go in?
No, I'll have that.
Yeah, come south.
Younger, straight